Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 14th, and this is my analysis of the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I actually still think this is a big uptrend that is most likely not even over yet. I think this is a big 1, 2, 3. I still am looking at this as a wave 3. Now, if you look at the subdivisions, I can see a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern right there. So we may be getting close to ending the wave 3, which means at some point we may actually go down and make a big wave 4 and back up for a big wave 5. Which is that wave 4 is going to be a monthly time frame wave 4, so that's going to be correction that potentially will last like 6 months or more. But still no proof that it's over, still no break of structure, still no big engulfing move with at a fib level, so still primarily looking for longs. Taking it down to the weekly is where we can see the subdivisions I was talking about. Does kind of look like a subdivision 1, 2, subdivision 3, maybe subdivision 4. We could be in the wave 5 right now. If this is a wave 5, it might just take out these highs, go down and start a big correction for the wave 4 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is potentially just going to be the end of a wave 3. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, a lot of the yen pairs do look like they want to go down, but looking at across the board and everything like that, most of them do have 3 waves down. Most of them do have a Fibonacci bounce, so we definitely want to be cautious about trying to go short. I mean, maybe it will keep going down. Maybe it will make a big old wave C, but I think it's actually more likely that it's going to continue the uptrend at this point. All the yen pairs are in about a 4 to 5 year uptrend, so trying to go short in a big way is probably not a good idea. I mean, yeah, there's definitely some money to be made on some of these shorts, but there's definitely more money to be made on the long opportunities. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, we're definitely going up. There is for sure a possibility that it's an ABC to the downtrend, but unless it goes down and makes a very significant break of structure, I definitely would be looking for longs. And if we break this structure right here, I think that's what's going to prove this wave C is over. And if we take it down to the shorter time frames, I'll show you something. So if you zoom out a little bit, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here from top to bottom. Normally when price closes above or below the 78% of a wave, that means that this wave is over and that price is going to go up and take out structure. And if price does go up and take out structure, I think that proves that we have the end of a wave C on the higher time frames. And if that is the end of a wave C, then yeah, there's going to be pullbacks along the way. But like I said, the best money to be made is definitely going to be looking for longs at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. So I would definitely primarily be looking for longs unless we had some very significant break of structure to the downside, which we definitely do not have as of yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is actually linked in the card up above. And don't forget to take a look at my brand new website, which is linked to the left of this video down here. So as always, thanks and happy trading.